Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Here's a little project that anybody can draw, and it's showing you the power of the combine tool. So we're going to draw an ellipse. I always hit P to put it in the center of the page. Make a Control D and make a duplicate of that. While holding down the Shift key, bring that in. So now you got an oblong, and then just Control D again a bunch of times, and hopefully it'll kind of come out even, which it did. Now, Control D to make a duplicate and rotate it 90 degrees. I'm going to make them black for the video, make them all black. And then this is what's amazing. We can go right here to combine, or you can go to object and combine. And then you can do that, and then you can pick a color. So you're going to left click the color, take away the outline. That's a pretty cool design, kind of 3D, elliptical, whatever you want to call it. Let's make this one purple. Take away the outline and look at it with the black box around it. Kind of gives you a 3D illusion. Real simple, real quick. Hope that gave you an idea or two, just the way the combine tool works. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.